Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage Bluetooth connections for your BOSE S1 Pro Plus. You have to start by open BOSE application on your phone and then go to the settings at the right top. And right here in connections we have Bluetooth connection, so tap on it. And right here we can see that the speaker connected with the two devices, with the Pixel 8 and with this iPhone. So what we can do here? We can disconnect devices. Let's say I don't need Pixel 8. I just click at the slider and now, as you can see, right here I have it and it just disconnected. We can also connect by clicking at this slider here. And as you can see, right here we have connection again. Also, we can remove some devices from here. So click Edit at the right top. Yeah, I guess we need to wait until this connection is finished. Here we go, then we can click Edit. And if you don't need some devices, you can just remove it by click at this icon. Then disconnect and remove, and we just remove the Pixel from the application and from your speaker also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.